Luna, a small owl, soars through a magical forest under a starlit sky. Her eyes widen as a star plummets from the heavens. Luna lands gently near the squirrel, its tiny claws gripping the branch. "Have you seen my star?" Luna asks, her voice echoing softly through the trees. The squirrel points towards the lake, its curious glance hinting at a hidden secret. Luna flits towards the tranquil lake, her wings shimmering in the soft sunlight. A fox appears, its fur the color of autumn leaves, watching Luna with intelligent eyes. "Have you seen my star?" Luna asks, her voice echoing softly across the water. "Towards the hill," the fox replies, its gaze steady and knowing. Luna arrives at the hill, her voice echoing in the stillness. "Have you seen my star?" A deer grazes peacefully, undisturbed by Luna's arrival. The deer lifts its head, its gaze directed towards the clouds, nodding in response. In a forest clearing, Luna discovers the fallen star resting gently on a flower. The star twinkles brightly, then floats up into the sky, rejoining its brethren. "I missed you." Luna smiles, content and filled with warmth as she watches the star ascend.